What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Fitness Realty bench press. It's got an incline and it's got different degrees of incline. And then on the other end here, it's got your ability to put your legs down here and kind of fold those over, which I'll show you how that works. So the thing I like about this bench press is that not only do you have a 0 degree here, but you actually have a negative 15 degree incline. And the reason that's cool is because if you're working your chest and you want to lay down and get a workout in there, I'm locking my feet in there, doing this. If you want to get a reverse incline, you can work your chest doing this. And what's nice about that is you're really going to work your lower pecs by doing that reverse negative 15 degree incline, which, you know, to get that little dip that you want in your chest, this is really nice. It really helps to define your body in that way. So I'm working with lightweight to show you in this review, but that's a really nice feature of it. Not all benches give you that negative incline. I need to work on my legs, as you can see. I haven't done leg day in a while. I've been doing this at-home gym thing, and legs work better at the gym. So anyway, negative 15 degree incline is nice. And then you got your 0 incline, which is completely flat. And then you have your 20 degree, which then, you know, you're working, you know, your chest in that way as well. So pop in there. And then you're throwing up with an incline that way. So you can work your whole chest, which is really nice. You kind of get that top to bottom range of motion when you get that incline. And then, you know, move down to 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and then 6 degrees. I'll pop up to 60. I don't really go much beyond 60, but I'll show you with 60 what you can do with that. So with this, it's nice because you can just sit in here, lock your legs in over and under, grab your dumbbells, and with this sitting up, you know, this is a great spot for a curl. So just getting those curls in and, you know, getting those reps. So, you know, you have the bench, and then you can also do your overhead, you know, anything overhead with that as well. So you have a variety of exercises, you know, for chest, arms, shoulders, so on and so forth. The bench is solid. It's engineered well. And you can do multiple types of workouts in here. I like to do, you know, chest press, and then put up to a 60 degree incline, work on my biceps. And then another thing, you know, that's great for benches is just kind of the rowing with weights. So, you know, get down like this, grab that dumbbell, make sure your back is straight, and then, you know, pull up like that on either side, and then flip to this side, knee down, that 90 degree angle here, and, you know, pulling out this way. So, you know, it's a solid bench. I like the incline down 15 degrees, and I also like the incline up. You have up to 85 degrees incline. And then this feature here to lock your legs in, you know, that's handy because getting in and out of the bench itself, you know, that's useful. You can also do some sort of ab things with this as well if you want. You're not going to get a ton of you know, ab movement with that, but it is something. It's better than nothing. So, you know, what matters to me is that the bench itself is solid. You know, it doesn't go anywhere when you're lifting or moving on it. Thankfully, this one doesn't. It's fairly comfortable. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. You don't want it to be too hard or too soft because either direction is not good for your repetitions. And then the inclines, you know, this is all solid metal. So you're locked and loaded and nothing's going to move you unless you start falling on your own. But as long as you're maintaining equilibrium with weights on either side of you and you're using the same weight on either side of you, you're good. So it's a solid bench. I want to say it's like 99 bucks on Amazon, but it works well. Great for chest, arms, and shoulders. And you know, I've also used it to step up on it. So I'll do, you know, I'll grab some dumbbells and do these where I step up and then down. Step up, down, you know, and that way you're getting the work in the glutes, and then obviously switch sides like this, step up, down. And it's a great tool for that as well. So, you know, this bench, it's solid. You know, that's like what I said, what matters. The incline is nice, and leg locking is a nice feature as well. So, you know, I recommend it. It's a good bench. It'll get the job done, and you'll get the muscles you're looking for as long as you use it. With that being said, I wanted to let you know, I'll put the link to Amazon below. And I do health and wellness and fitness reviews here on this channel. So if you enjoyed this review and you want to see more health and wellness and fitness products, subscribe below, leave your comments and questions. And also, one of the most important things about exercise that most people don't pay attention to is their recovery. They're taking protein powders that aren't that bioavailable, and they're not actually getting the protein their body needs to rebuild. So if you want to learn more about that, watch this video right here to take the amino acids that I take that absorb 99% in your body that build muscle quickly. I've built, for 3 months in a row, 5 pounds of muscle, and right now I'm down on my weight, so don't judge me by any means right now, but at my highest weight, I gained 15 pounds of muscle in 3 months using this protein with a combination of heavy lifting as well. So check out that video here. And also, I vet health and wellness companies, fitness products, supplements, superfoods, health technology, and so much more. So if you want to see a list of brands that I've personally vetted that include discount codes, free shipping, and special offers, visit healthywildfree.com/shop. That's healthywildfree.com/shop. I'll put that link below as well, and you'll get deals on many different health and wellness brands, fitness products. Some of my favorite fitness products for building muscle, for lymphatic health, for gut health, for brain health, for sleep health, for recovery, protein, all this kind of stuff. So check out those links below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.